Instructions for scientific projects. Read the instructions for applicants. This seems obvious to say, but many applicants risk rejection because they don't meet the minimum eligibility guidelines and offer no explanation. You should know that the selection committee closely follows the eligibility guidelines and selection criteria set forth in the instructions. The committee will not know of your special circumstances unless you mention them in the text of the application. For example, my subject is sociology, but I rely on historical materials and seek to draw broad conclusions about the impact of ideas on social life. Your project must be scholarly in character. It is possible that the result of the work you propose will have a broad appeal to a general audience. However, if it is primarily a popularization or merely intelligent journalism, it is in most cases not eligible for a grant. Therefore, your application should clearly identify its scholarly character. To take another example, if your project involves literary criticism, you should say how it engages scholarly literature in the same language and in other languages, how you intend to add to or to revise current theoretical perspectives, and how your work fits into or diverges from other schools of interpretation. If your project requires special skills, you should say so, and you should point to some experience that demonstrates that you possess those skills. If you lack competence in a language you need or lack any other basic skill, you must explain how you will overcome this obstacle. Present a clear plan of work. This means, among other things, that your application should outline what you plan to accomplish in the project and how much this will contribute to your ultimate goal. It is not enough to say that you want to conduct thorough research on a subject that has not been sufficiently investigated, or that you wish to continue my lifelong interest in Pushkin's work. What is the goal of the research you ask to support? Preparation of a source collection? Will this be a book, a significant article, or the introduction to source collection or critical edition? Be as specific as possible. How much of this work do you expect to complete in 1 year? If it is work that you would accomplish as part of your current duties, you should say how a grant would make the work better, more complete, more quickly concluded. Above all, you need to present a plan for what you intend to accomplish in a 1-year period and how this will contribute to longer-range goals. Are you beginning an entirely new project? If not, how is your proposed work related to what you have done before? Are you deepening or expanding a line of inquiry investigated in the past? Are you applying a new perspective to familiar material? Reorganizing or revising previous writings? Do you have a first draft? How much work toward a monograph or other publication is already complete as you begin work under terms of the grant?